Thanks. All right, this is 4225 53rd Avenue North. And I'm starting it to clean out. I'm going out to the city tap right now. All is flowing well there, so we're gonna run up to the house. Right where the clean out is, it's holding a little bit of water. But so if you look at it right at the street side, but it's not due to any dirt. As you can see, all the dirt's gone. There's just a little, it's just a tad bit higher right there before it makes the drop, which is fine. So now we're going up towards the house, and this is going towards where Mount Dirtmore was. You can see how beautiful and clean it is now. No more dirt. It looks like just leftover glue fitting. Got a 45. Another 45. And there's our clean out right there, going into the house. So all the dirt is gone. Everything can flow freely from the house all the way to the city main. You can see the footage in the bottom left. I'm just gonna let the camera record as I pull it back. Back through our 45s. And we're coming back to the clean out on the street side. This was 4225. And there's the house. Everything's clean. Sewer is functional and ready to go.